Welcome to the channel, and thank you so much for joining me today. We're diving into a topic that's been making waves in the world of artificial intelligence, something that could potentially change the landscape of machine learning forever. It's a bit of a monumental shift, and I'm excited to unpack it with you. We're talking about Abacus AI's latest breakthrough, APPLLM, and how it's poised to reshape the way we think about AI models, especially in the context of real-world applications. Now, I know you might be wondering what exactly APPLLM is and why it's such a game changer. Well, let me tell you, this new development is not just another update in the AI world. It's a paradigm shift in how we build and utilize AI for practical, everyday uses. Before we get into the nitty-gritty of APPLLM, let me take you back to a moment that perfectly illustrates the need for a technology like this. A few years ago, I had the chance to attend a tech conference where a top-tier AI researcher gave a talk on the future of machine learning. He began his presentation with an anecdote about his experience using AI to solve a problem at work. He said, "I spent hours, days even, training this machine learning model. It had incredible potential, but I couldn't get it to understand the real-world nuances. It wasn't until I shifted the model's focus toward practical, task-specific data that we saw the results we were hoping for. At the time, I thought to myself, why should it be so hard to build models that understand the real-world complexity?" Fast forward to today, and APPLLM is the answer to that exact question. APPLLM, or Advanced Practical Language Model, represents a leap forward in the AI community's pursuit of building models that aren't just efficient in theory, but are genuinely useful and adaptable in practice. Abacus AI, known for its groundbreaking work in the field of artificial intelligence, has introduced a model that brings us closer to what we've all been waiting for: an AI that can understand, learn, and apply real-world data like never before. This isn't just about improving natural language processing or pushing the boundaries of deep learning models. AppLM is about creating an AI that learns from a vast range of human activities and behaviors, processing this data in a way that feels more intuitive, more human-like, and most importantly, more useful in real-world situations. This could transform industries, from healthcare to finance to education, and even reshape how we interact with technology on a daily basis. What's so different about APPLLM compared to its predecessors? For one, it leverages an advanced version of natural language processing that's capable of understanding and generating human-like text in ways that previous models just couldn't. While existing models are exceptional at processing structured data, APPLLM can go beyond that, embracing the kind of unstructured data we encounter every day. Think about it. Your emails, your social media posts, your texts. All of this data holds valuable insights, but current AI models often struggle to make sense of it in a way that reflects the richness of human experience. That's where APPLLM comes in. It's built to handle real-world scenarios, allowing it to extract context from vast amounts of data, both structured and unstructured, and apply that knowledge to solve problems in ways that were previously unimaginable. This means it can adapt quickly, learn from diverse datasets, and provide actionable insights in real time. The beauty of AppLM is that it doesn't just learn from one source of data, but integrates multiple types, creating a more holistic view of the world around it. Let's take a closer look at what makes APPLLM stand out. One of the key innovations is its ability to adapt to new contexts and environments with minimal training. Traditional machine learning models require a lot of training and fine-tuning, which can be time-consuming and expensive. But AppLM is different. By incorporating a more flexible learning framework, it can adapt quickly to new situations, whether it's a change in the market, a shift in customer behavior, or even a completely new industry altogether. This flexibility is crucial in today's fast-paced world, where businesses need to be agile and able to pivot quickly to stay ahead of the competition. Another significant advantage of APPLLM is its ability to bridge the gap between the digital and physical worlds. We've all experienced the frustrations of interacting with AI models that don't quite get what we mean, whether it's a voice assistant misunderstanding your command or a chatbot that seems to offer irrelevant responses. It's clear that current AI often lacks the nuance and understanding needed to truly communicate with humans in meaningful ways. APPLLM is built to change that. By incorporating advanced techniques in multimodal learning, it can process not just text or speech, but also visual data, sensor data, and even environmental cues. This opens up new possibilities for applications in everything from autonomous vehicles to smart homes to personalized healthcare. But what about the real-world implications of this technology? How will APPLLM impact the industries we care about? Let's start with healthcare. With its ability to analyze vast amounts of medical data, APPLLM could help doctors make more accurate diagnoses, identify potential health risks, and even develop personalized treatment plans for patients. Imagine an AI that can read medical records, interpret lab results, and take into account a patient's lifestyle and environment, all in real time. This could dramatically improve the quality of care and reduce the burden on healthcare professionals, allowing them to focus more on direct patient care. In the financial sector, APPLLM could transform how we approach investment strategies, risk analysis, and fraud detection. With its advanced understanding of data patterns and behaviors, it could help financial institutions make more informed decisions, reduce risk, and improve their overall efficiency. Imagine an AI that can predict market trends based on real-time data, anticipate economic shifts, and offer personalized financial advice to individuals based on their specific goals and risk tolerance. Education is another area where APPLLM has the potential to make a significant impact. By adapting to the unique learning styles and needs of individual students, APPLLM could help educators create more personalized and effective lesson plans. Whether it's offering extra practice for struggling students or providing advanced materials for those who are excelling, this AI could help ensure that no student is left behind. It could even assist in real-time feedback, helping students understand where they need to improve while guiding them toward the right resources. The list goes on, but the point is clear. APPLLM is not just another AI tool. It's a game changer. It represents a future where AI is no longer limited by rigid frameworks or outdated models, but can evolve and adapt in real time to meet the needs of the world around it. And the best part is, we're just beginning to scratch the surface of what's possible. Of course, no technological breakthrough comes without its challenges, and APPLLM is no exception. One of the key hurdles that Abacus AI faces is ensuring that this new model remains transparent and ethical. As AI continues to grow more powerful, there are increasing concerns about its potential for misuse, whether it's in the form of biased algorithms or the exploitation of personal data. Abacus AI is acutely aware of these challenges and is committed to ensuring that APPLLM is developed with the highest ethical standards in mind. This includes implementing safeguards to prevent bias in decision-making, ensuring data privacy, and promoting transparency in how the model operates. There's also the question of accessibility. While APPLLM has the potential to revolutionize industries, we must also consider how it can be made accessible to a wide range of users. Abacus AI's approach is to create an open platform where businesses, researchers, and developers can access the model and build upon it. This will allow for greater collaboration and innovation, ensuring that APPLLM doesn't remain confined to a select few, but can be used by anyone with the right tools and knowledge. But even with these challenges, the potential of APPLLM is undeniable. In a world that's increasingly driven by data and automation, we need AI models that can not only process information, but also make sense of it in ways that are practical, intuitive, and actionable. AppLM is the next step in that evolution. By providing a more adaptive, flexible, and intelligent AI, Abacus AI is paving the way for a future where machines don't just respond to commands, but truly understand the world they're interacting with. Abacus AI's introduction of APPLLM is not just a technical advancement. It marks a fascinating evolution in artificial intelligence, one that goes beyond traditional machine learning models. Let's dive into some cool facts about APPLLM that haven't been discussed yet. These details will help you understand the true potential of this technology and why it's becoming a focal point in the AI community. One of the coolest features of APPLLM is its ability to process multimodal data. Unlike traditional AI models that specialize in a single type of input, such as text or images, APPLLM can handle multiple forms of data simultaneously. This means it can understand not just text, but also images, audio, video, and even real-time sensor data. Imagine combining visual cues, spoken language, and environmental information in a way that allows AI to respond more like a human would in real-world situations. For instance, in an autonomous vehicle, APPLLM could integrate camera footage, sensor data, and voice commands to make decisions more quickly and accurately. Another interesting aspect of APPLLM is its scalability. While most AI models tend to lose their effectiveness when applied to larger datasets or more complex tasks, APPLLM thrives in these environments. Abacus AI has designed the model with scalability in mind, enabling it to process vast amounts of data without sacrificing performance. This makes APPLLM incredibly useful for industries that deal with enormous datasets, such as healthcare, where medical records and research data are constantly growing. APPLLM can scale to meet the demands of these industries, ensuring that AI remains effective as the volume and complexity of data increase. In terms of computational efficiency, APPLLM is a step ahead of many other models. It's designed to run on less powerful hardware while still delivering top-tier performance. This is a significant breakthrough, especially for industries that require high levels of AI processing but have limited computational resources. For example, imagine a small startup that wants to incorporate AI into their product but doesn't have access to supercomputing infrastructure. APPLLM's ability to run efficiently on standard hardware opens up the possibilities for smaller companies to leverage advanced AI without the need for massive investments in technology. Lastly, the ethical considerations around APPLLM's development are as exciting as the technology itself. Abacus AI is taking a proactive stance on AI ethics by focusing on transparency, accountability, and fairness. The model is built to avoid biases and to ensure that it operates in a way that benefits society. This focus on ethical AI is crucial as we move forward in an age where AI is playing a larger role in decision-making processes. The goal is to make sure that APPLLM doesn't just perform well, but also does so in a way that aligns with human values and ethical standards. In conclusion, APPLLM is more than just another AI model. It's a glimpse into the future of artificial intelligence. It's a future where AI can understand, learn, and adapt in real time, making it a powerful tool for industries, businesses, and individuals alike. Whether it's in healthcare, finance, education, or beyond, APPLLM is opening up new possibilities that were once thought to be out of reach. And as we continue to explore its potential, one thing is clear. We're on the cusp of a new era in AI, and it's incredibly exciting. Thank you for joining me today, and I look forward to seeing how this technology evolves and what it will mean for our future.